Yeah. Today's topic is uh, today's topic is nuclear properties. In the previous class, we have discussed about some categorization of nuclei. Those are isotopes, isobars, isotones, isomers, and isodiapers. After that, we have discussed what is one AMU, how one AMU mass can be considered as 1.660565 10 power minus 27 kgs, and what is the mass of proton, neutron, electron in terms of kgs and AMUs. And here, some nucleus properties we'll discuss here. In the nucleus properties, the first one we are going to discuss about charge, nuclear charge. So we have already discussed that is a nuclear will possess positive charge. Nucleus possess positive charge. That charge is equal to the atomic number into charge of each proton. Because proton will have. We know the composition of nucleus. Nucleus consists only protons and neutrons. Neutrons have zero charge. They are neutral. The other particles are only protons. So proton will have positive charge. The nucleus also consists positive charge. So Z into E plus. What is Z here? Proton number or atomic number? Atomic number or this is proton number. Atomic number or this is proton number. And E, charge of proton. What is the charge of proton? Plus 1.6 into 10 power 9. So the overall charge also will get coulombs. So this is what nuclear charge. Nuclear charge is always positive. Suppose if you want to find out charge of helium nucleus. Charge of helium He24. So Q is equals to Z into E. What is Z? Atomic number is 2 protons. Electron charge or proton charge is 1.6 into 10 power minus 90. This is positive. So 1.6 into 2. So 3.2 into 10 power minus 90. So this is the charge of helium nucleus. So in this way you can determine the nuclear charge. So we completed the first property, that is here charge. Next property, here we are going to discuss about nuclear size. So before going to knowing size, first we have to determine what is the shape of the nucleus. Nucleus is considered spherical in shape. So yeah, it is a perfect sphere or not, but we are saying that nucleus is considered spherical in shape. Sphere. It is a sphere, solid sphere. Okay. So nucleus is assumed in spherical shape. How can you determine this? This nuclear size is determined by Rutherford. In alpha particle experiment, alpha particle scattering experiment, scattering experiment, alpha particle scattering experiment. Nuclear size is determined by Rutherford by alpha particle scattering experiment. So in the determination of nucleus it was discovered. Okay. Now radius of the nucleus, radius of nucleus, radius of nucleus, radius of nucleus, R is equals to R naught into a power 1 by 3. Radius of nucleus, because we assumed nucleus is in spherical shape. Sphere will have a radius. The radius of the nucleus R is equal to R naught into a power 1 by 3, where R naught is Fermi constant. Fermi constant. Its value will take generally 1.2 into 10 power minus 15 meters. So R, this is 1.2 Fermis. 1 Fermi is 10 power minus 15 meters. Next, A is mass number. A is what? Mass number. The sum of the protons and the neutrons number. Mass number. Then how we got this? Just we'll see. See how we got this formula. R is equal to R naught into a power 1 by 2. Just see. The volume of the nucleus is in spherical shape. That volume will be directly proportional to mass number. If more nucleons are present, more volume. Less nucleons are present, less volume. So if A number is more, volume is also more. Okay. What is volume of the sphere formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is proportional to E. Anyway, r cube is proportional to, you send that side, 3 by 4 pi, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 pi into E, sending to other side. So though it is a constant, so I can write r cube is also proportional to E. Then r is proportional to, cube reading on both sides, a power 1 by 3. Removing the proportionality, removing proportion, then what I will get? R is equal to proportional 10. I am getting a constant. This constant, just now I have written, Fermi constant, 1.2 Fermis, or this is 1.2 into 10 power minus 50. So here we have to recollect one thing. The size of the atom will be in angstroms. Size of the atom